Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I want to unbox with you the new phone I purchased in town. I'm just going to use it for my YouTube and Facebook videos. So let me show you what I had today. It was not easy getting a phone today because I have about 2 phones and usually I get problems whenever I'm using them and my kitchen becomes very hot. There's a notice that pops up that the temperature is too high and the phone cannot make further videos again unless it cools down a bit. So I've been having these issues and I said let me go and purchase a new phone to try to see whether that one will help me make quality videos. So yeah, I bought this one, Spark 30. In fact, when I got to the phone shop, I went to about 4 phone shops, and the last place I went to get this phone, they were giving me a Samsung phone which I didn't like. Why would somebody come to buy something from you and you, the attendant, you are trying to give me a particular phone? And when I checked the camera, the images that it was producing was just bad. And I said, no, let me just leave it and purchase a different phone. And she was angry that why was I rejecting it. I said, no. Even if it's 1 CD that I'm using to buy something, I must get something good out of it. And that Samsung was 1,800 and something, because with the charger head they said I had to buy the charger head, and everything summed up to 1,980. So I even removed the money, counted it, but I just remembered that I'm going to use it for YouTube videos. She should just go to the camera for me to see. Then when she went there, it was not good. So I said no, I didn't like it. She tried giving it to me. I said no. I even removed the phone that I'm using to make this video to compare the camera to what she was holding, and she just told me that my camera was color. And I said, what is color? Even the flashlight was off, but it was giving quality images. How much more your own that you are giving to me, and the flashlight was on and it was very dim. I said no, I will not pick it. She should just let me pick a different phone. And she just turned away and left me there. So another attendant in the shop approached me. Wow, a very humble sister. So I had to tell the other lady, please, you have to respect people, because I never did anything bad. I'm just telling you that I don't like the phone that you are advising me to buy, and it is my money. So you can't tell me what to do with my money. So the other lady had to bring out this phone, and this is 675. The receipt is here. 1,675. So let me show you how it looks. Actually, when I purchased it, I didn't just get so much time to access it because I was in a hurry. So this is the moment that I'm going to check it. They had a sample, so that was what the lady used to show me the camera. This way. So let me see. I think the other accessories are over here. So this is a cover. This is the charger, the cable, the charger head. And this is the earpiece. So now let me just put on the phone to see. So these are the specifications on the phone. It has 128 gig ROM plus 8 gig RAM. So I think it will be good for me because my other phone is full of images. Even though I've copied it onto my PC, sometimes I don't want to delete it on my phone. So this is it. I think it's nice. Let me check the camera again. Can you see? So you can see the camera is nice. So this is the phone, Tecno Spark 30. So I'll use it and I'll give a feedback on how it is, so that if you also need it, you can also purchase one. This is the back of the phone.
I want to off the TV. No, what that?
I thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.